Welcome back. Girl, I hate Halloween. Today is Halloween. Wait, I haven't talked to you in forever. There was literally dust on the lens. I had to dust it off. But no, I hate Halloween. I spiral. I've gotten cheated on the past 2 Halloweens. It's just not a good time of the year. It's like my least favorite. Like I want to go into a medically induced coma for 3 days, but whatever. I have black coffee, I have water, and then I'm gonna bake a cake. Because I said, you know what? You're spiraling, baby, just bake a cake. So I'm gonna bake a cake and carve it like a pumpkin, and you're gonna do it with me. That's gonna be our vlog today. Woo! Bake. I'm also really confused. Like, I have not had a meal in 2 days. 2 days. I haven't had a real meal. But like, my face is puffy. Like, that's not good. Okay, let me show you what I got. We needed some light. And Jake said, let there be light, period. So I didn't go to Trader Joe's, but it's in a Trader Joe's bag. So just don't mind that. This is an extra bag. This is almond flour, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour. This is cream of tartar because I want to make macarons as well. Unsalted butter. Farm fresh eggs. Daisy sour cream. Me, bitch. And this is whole milk. And I'm Jake Eldridge, and welcome back to Bake with Jake. I have class I have to leave in an hour. An hour from now, I have to leave. So I'm gonna make the batter, and then we're going to go to class. I hate this professor so much, guys. Like, this man, So I'm gonna go to class, be studious, and then come back, finish the cake, and do God knows what. Placing a waxer parchment paper, shut up. In the bowl of your stand mixer, this tank. Wait, guys, this is such a bad angle. Like, where do I put you? Wait, I wanna dance. I wanna go out tonight and dance. I'm so chaotic, it's not funny, okay. In the bowl of a stand mixer, oh. Wait, I turned it on. So I have 4 sticks of butter. They've been softening. I have a big group project due today. I don't think my group has done it today or any day. So anyway, add in white and brown sugars and continue to mix on high for another 2 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly. I love baking. Okay. It's my fake tan. Don't ask. Wait, this is so much better. Okay. Can you see me? Okay, scrape that down. How much sugar does this hoe need? Like, why am I like delusional right now? 2 cups granulated sugar, 1.5 cup brown sugar. What did I just, ow! I hate a dishwasher like this. Like, she does not function properly. Okay, 2 cups of this shit. 1, 2, okay, sure, 1. Dump it all in. I don't care. Okay, so that's going. This always smells like it's burning. Okay, come on, speed your bitch up. Okay, I'm gonna crack 6 eggs. 1. I'm a master. 2. I got. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. Put me on Chop Junior, bitch. Or like real Chop. I don't know. I'm also vlogging for YouTube. I haven't done that forever, but I was like, Jake, TikTok is getting banned. Get on your YouTube shit. So everybody go follow my YouTube at. I don't even know. It's linked in my bio. We need to mix in the eggs 1 at a time. This one's broken, so we'll just do like 2. Okay. That was 3 of them. Whatever. Okay, our 2 cans, 3 cups of pumpkin. Let me think. 15 ounces is 30. 8 ounces is 1. No. Overestimate. Okay, scrape it down. We'll add the last 3 eggs. I don't know why my car keeps. Last 3. Scrape her down. This is 16 ounces. I need 24. Okay. I'm just guesstimating. This is the problem, is I just guesstimate. Like, the measuring is like for what, you know? It's gonna taste fine. Okay, so 3. Oh, God. So this is 4. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg. No, I need to shit, like really bad. I need to shit. Bye. 2 teaspoons of salt, 5 teaspoons of baking powder. Girl, you got it. 1. You know powder puffs and soda spreads? Okay, and done. And there you go, dry ingredients. What about it? This needs to mix again. So now we're just mixing together our dry ingredients. I already know this mixing bowl is not big enough, this one. But like, what am I gonna do? Cry? I already did that today. Oh my God, I forgot vanilla. I'm a mess, he's a mess. I'm a damsel in distress in a mini motherfucking dress. I'm a damsel in distress in a mini motherfucking dress. It's a lot of vanilla, I do not care. I need mental health. Okay, so now I need to fold these dry ingredients in slowly, but I just spilled half of them. Fine. My coffee creamer spilled all over my rug. I need to do this first. I used to like not be messy when I cooked, and now like there's coffee creamer all over my house. Girl, I spilled my coffee creamer. This bitch making a cake, so I'm not depressed. We'll add the last bit, then we'll scrape down the sides of the bowl. That's a lot of batter, holy crap. Okay, the cake's in the fridge. I'm gonna charge you while I go to class, and then I'll be back in like 4 hours, and we'll bake it, and then we'll decorate it, and then we'll like have a mental breakdown, and then we'll be fine. I put the batter in the fridge. I guess I'm just gonna use an ice cream scoop, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 8. So these two are gonna go in the oven. Siri, set a 35-minute timer. Okay, I'll see you in 30. I'm just gonna bake them all, and then I'll see you when we're decorating. Okay, guys. Wait, stop, Taylor. The cake, like it's all ready. We're gonna decorate it now, basically, is all the I'm trying to say. But I'm also gonna video for TikTok. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it. First thing I'm gonna do is stack the cakes, and then I'm gonna carve them, and then I'm going to crumb coat, and then I'm going to fridge, final coat, fondant, all the things. We're doing fondant orange on the outside. I'm gonna try and carve it like a pumpkin, guys. This could be rough, but we'll see. I think I'm talented enough. Okay, I got them leveled. One of them broke, of course, my f***ing luck. Like, why are they're all cracking on the side. It's pissing me off a lot. This last one, you guys, is like literally broken. It's getting carved anyway, so I don't know why I'm taking it that seriously. Okay, it's fine. This, right? Or no?
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo, tell them boys back up.
But guys, it doesn't look that bad. I feel like a lot of people aren't gonna see the vision, but like I do.
I ain't going nowhere, I'ma throw that back.
Okay, I just don't want it to look like an apple. I think I'm gonna do the crumb coat, freeze it, then carve the indentions.
Put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it, and we going and going and going.
Because otherwise it's just gonna slide. I don't want it sliding.
Good night, baby, let it roll like the good times, smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah.
So she looks fine enough for a crumb coat, so now we're gonna pop her back in the fridge. And then, okay, I'm now gonna carve the inside parts of it, whatever it's called. Like the grooves.
You can see it, everyone can see it. And I bet everyone's looking.
Yes, Lord. You guys see like the vision? If he loved you, he would tell you. If he missed you, he would call. Quit lying to yourself. If he wanted to, he would.
Girl in the mirror, she's lost her damn mind. She looks more and more than she loves. Girl in the mirror.
Okay, how are we looking? Isn't it weird how something that you're going through in life, you think it's just you, but it's really not? Like maybe at that moment you feel like you're the only one going through it, but we've all gone through it. You know, we've all made it out. You're gonna make it out. You're gonna be fine. You don't need somebody. You need yourself. If that's not enough, babe, then we gotta find that. Because look, nobody's ever gonna treat you as good as you need to treat yourself, okay? Okay, it looks so much better now that I did these. Period. Looks way more like a pumpkin now. Okay, I'm gonna fill up the piping bag and then do the final coat. And then we're gonna do the fondant and then finish decorating it.
Yeah, didn't take long, locked eyes when I walked into you, feeling of your red cup. And we got the same thing, probably like the same things. Didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fucked over 1,000 times, think everyone's the same. But it's not the case right here, right now. The first sight shit is no joke. I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma throw that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it, yeah. And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times, smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it. And I'm feeling truthful right now, thinking I should do something right now. Lasso you up, getting buck wild. Yeah, I'm finna do something right now. Bounce. Tell the gang I'm out, call the lift up, lift you up. I go to town, stay for a while. They try the ball, I hold it down. I'm playing center.
You guys, isn't it looking like so good? I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Now I want to just go in with some tools and add some texture.
I know you get the message, and the way I focus with lenses, custom made for me the metrics. Show you fit right in the schedule, and girl you fit like Lululemon, and yeah. Lost for words, tell me who's running first, no mistakes. Girl, you crossing me, was got it work.
Okay, period. Ideally, you'd have like a fan brush. I don't have that, okay? So. This is it, like what I just did. Oof.
It's a good night.